Hey folks, Polly the Parrot is checking in for the first time in 2023. Polly the Parrot, the greatest parrot in the history of the world, is checking in, babies. Woo! Let's look at Polly up close. Hey Polly, how's it going? David Baldo is a loser. David Baldo is a loser. David Baldo is a loser. Oh, we're checking in with Polly the Parrot, folks. The greatest parrot in the history of YouTube. We're checking in with Polly the Parrot for the first time in the year 2023. Wait, what'd you say again, huh? What'd you say, Polly? David Baldo is a loser. David Baldo is a weirdo. David Baldo is Botter. Oh, Polly the Parrot thinks David Baldo is Botter. Wait, did I hear you right? Polly, what'd you say? David Baldo is Botter. David Baldo is Botter. Oh, that's what Polly the Parrot has said in the year 2023. Checking in with Polly the Parrot in 2023. David Baldo, according to Polly the Parrot, is Botter. Put that on the board. With that being said, your Emperor 55, do or die, the greatest man in the history of the world is